Hi, welcome to Boomi Product Videos. In this video, we will see how to extract response headers written by the REST client connector call. You may have a requirement to use a response header value written by the connector later in the integration process, such as a location header or an authentication token written by the end application. The REST client connector exposes response headers as a track property group, and we can use set properties step to read the response header value. In a set properties step, you should add a property to be set. In this example, it is a dynamic document property called dpp_location. You should add a property value with property type as document property, source type as connectors, and for connector, you should choose REST client, and property group should be response headers. You can add the property name here. In this example, it is location. Now you should be able to access the response header value from the dynamic document property. Hope this helps. Thank you for your time.